Packing and storage. Fixed equipment is normally packed for outdoor storage for 1 year or as agreed with the purchaser. Rotating equipment should have package suitable for outdoor storage without maintenance for a period of minimum 6 months or as agreed with purchaser. Some equipment can only be stored indoor while other equipment should not only be stored indoor but shall be under controlled temperature and humidity. For example, electrical equipment and consumables. Packages normally have desiccants to reduce the moisture level that could corrode the components, while some equipment are shrink-wrapped to avoid corrosion and ingress of contaminants. Anti-corrosive agents is added to some equipment for protecting internals. Spools and flanges may be protected by oil and capped to avoid damages to their flange face. Equipment shall be secured within the packaging or boxes to avoid any damage during shipment. Lifting lugs shall be clearly marked. Directional arrow on the box shows that side of package shall rest upward. Installation, operation and maintenance manual, IOM, and storage procedures shall be part of the dispatch dossier. Equipment shall have a designated storage area within the site and shall not be frequently moved around until installed. For more tips, visit inspectortraining.com.